with homes, apartment complexes, hotels, offices, or commercial businesses that require plumbing services such as installations and repairs.
From leaky toilets to clanking pipes that cause backflow, alterations, or renovations of your bathroom and kitchen, or just a plumbing maintenance to prevent blocked drainage.
ALM Plumbing and Maintenance is the answer. Our services include supply and hot water piping system, tubes, luggings, and fittings.
Just remember to call our licensed plumbing contractor, Mr. Antonio Lial.
Contractor license number CD-24091.
Doing business as ALM Plumbing and Maintenance.
Available 24/7, quick and dependable services at a reasonable price.
Please call 748-9318
For all your plumbing needs.
Ang galing. Natapos sa